When it comes to narcissism, one of the first ideas that you might have, and it's a naive idea, is that you can assess the narcissism of someone by counting how this person expresses themselves using first pronoun. For example, I, my, etc., etc. It has been shown by Raskin and Shaw in 1988 that there is a link in between the two, but later it has been more studied, and Carré and its collaborator demonstrated that it was actually wrong. There is no clear link in between the fact of being narcissistic and the usage of first pronouns. What it means that when you want to assess the narcissism of someone, you should look into more subtle things inside the text they write or the way they express themselves than just looking at first pronouns usage like I and my, etc., etc. In the era of AI, when you want to look at subtle things inside a text, you think of NLP, Natural Language Processing. And it's actually what researchers have done. They compare NLP method using machine learning and deep learning to linguistic method using usage of pronoun or other features. And what they have shown is that the NLP method outperforms the linguistic method. It is true for narcissism, but it's also true for other personality traits. So at Zortify, we have data on people being narcissistic or not, and we have data on the way they express themselves also. So we can do an analysis to assess whether it's the Rashkin theory that is right, which means that there is a link in between first pronoun usage and narcissism, or if it's the Carré theory that is right, meaning that there is no clear link in between the two, and that you cannot really assess someone's narcissism using first pronoun usage, etc., etc. So what our data has shown is that Carré's theory is the right one, and there is no clear link in between the usage of first pronoun and narcissism. To conclude, together both the literature and the analysis we've done on our data shows the same thing. There is no clear link in between the narcissism and the usage of first pronoun. Moreover, what we do and what the literature have shown is that it's better to use NLP model and AI in general to predict the personality than using linguistic method. NLP methods are more precise when it comes to predict the personality of someone. It is true for narcissism, and it's also true for other dimensions or personality traits.